Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting my channel. We just hit 24,000 subscribers and let's reach to 25 and then 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So like this video if you like it, share it with your friends and family, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 very simple, easy and practical DIYs which you can make for your father on this Father's Day, or you can make for your child's father as I am doing in this video on this Father's Day. So let's get started with the DIYs. So this t-shirt painting idea I got while I was scrolling for father and son matching t-shirt on Google. So I thought this was a cool idea to try on. I took similar kind of shades of t-shirts of Nishant and Farin. Then I took gold and white fabric pins and this alphabet stencil scale. And now I'm starting with Nishant's t-shirt first. So I'm folding it in half to get a crease in middle section. And then I'll start writing my letters before I'll insert this plastic mat inside so that the colors don't leak to the other side. Now here I'm counting the letters in original Word. So it has 8 letters. So I'll start with the center G and I. So I'll paint G on the left side of my center mark, and I was using foam brush for doing it, but I realized it's not getting the paint into the letter very nicely, and I was not able to get the corners of it, and it was wasting the paint a lot. So I went on with the brush and it came out so nice. It's almost perfect. Do wipe out the scale after using it so that you don't mess up on the other side of the t-shirt when you paint other letter. So in the same way I'll paint all my letters of original Word. Take care about if the previous letter paint is still wet when you place the scale on top of it to paint another letter, so take care of that. And in this video, I don't know why, but the t-shirt shade was wearing a lot. So when my hands are on top of t-shirt like it is right now, this is the original color of t-shirt, and when I'm removing my hands it turns out to be gray on camera. So yeah, I just wanted to say that it's kind of a dark blue shade. So after painting the word original, now I'm painting the word in white paint, and this is how it looks at the end. Now let's paint on Farin's t-shirt, like kids t-shirt. So here also I'm inserting a cardstock sheet between the t-shirt, and now here I'll write the remix. So I'm painting the letter M first, which has to be in the center of the t-shirt, and then I'll paint the rest of the word. And this is how it looks. Now I'll let these t-shirts dry completely as per the instructions on my fabric paint, and then we'll try them out. And this is how it looks. It looks so cute on them, isn't it? For making the best Papa photo frame, I'm using this wooden photo frame and removing its cover and back side of the photo frame, whatever it has, and I will paint it with black acrylic paint on top side and also on the sides of the photo frame. Once the black paint on my photo frame has dried, I'm using this gold acrylic paint marker to write my text on it. It is a very customizable idea which you can customize depending on the year when your father became a father. So you can write the year on it, like I have written Best Papa since 2017 because Farin was born in 2017. So yeah, now I'm adding some gold lines on all of the surface of the frame, and then I'll use a sandpaper and lightly sand my frame to get the background of the frame, wooden background, little bit showing on the frame like this to give it a distressed look. And this is how it looks at the end. I really like how distressed and unique and rusty feel it gives. Now I'm inserting all the backings in the photo frame with a photo of Farin and Nishant, and this is how it looks. They're also wearing matching t-shirt in this photo frame. So yeah, it completes the photo frame and the purpose of it. So for my flower bouquet on a coaster DIY, I am using this MDF circle cutout and painting it with white acrylic paint first to give it a light base before I start my decoupage on it. Now I'll let my white paint dry completely, and I'm using this flower bouquet tissue paper to stick it on the circle cutout. Now I'm using the circle cutout to know where I want to cut this flower design, and I'm cutting little bit extra from the circle I have drawn, and इसमें से I'll take out the tissue paper piece which I want to stick, and I'm using this Fevicryl Mod Podge glue to stick my tissue paper on this circle cutout with Mod Podge. So I'm not an expert in decoupage technique. I am trying this first time in this video. So I made my mistake, like there was wrinkle in the tissue paper while I was sticking it. So I would suggest, if you want to try this technique and you have not tried it before, do watch other channel like DIY with Kanchan. She does a lot of decoupage video, or any other decoupage channel. There you can know the complete and good process of how to do it. So yeah, here I'm using my big size flat brush to get off all the wrinkles if I can, and then I'm applying a coat of Fevicryl Mod Podge on top of it, and I'll let it dry for 15-20 minutes, and then I'll tear off the extra piece and will apply more Mod Podge on it. And this is how it looks. After this, I decided to use my gold paint marker and highlight the bouquet, the vase part of it, and also to add a gold border throughout the coaster, and then stick a note kind of a thing inside the bouquet with black Sakura Jelly Roll Moonlight pen, and I will write a love you papa inside this tag kind of a thing and make it personalized for fathers. This would be a beautiful decor come useful coaster on your father's working desk area. So that's it for this video. I really hope you all liked it. Hit that like button if you did, and let me know which of the 3 DIY you like the most. And yeah, एक चीज़ मैं वीडियो के वॉइस ओवर में बताना भूल गई. In that coaster DIY, you can also print out yours and your father's pictures and use the decoupage technique to print that photo onto the coaster if you want. This will make that coaster even more customized. So yeah, and like this video, share this video, subscribe if you haven't already, comment down below your thoughts on it, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Bye bye.